I wasn't the least bit sad today to have Charlotte, given away or whatever you say. But we're so happy that it's with Warren, who loves her dearly, and we can feel that, and that's why we're so happy.
Oh my God, you look so beautiful.
I had some plans, but I forgot they
I love you. You look amazing.
when you walked in, and I see everything so different. Think you gave me amnesia. Now I wanna taste that lemonade, that potion oh so sweet. Ain't gotta care 'cause you take me there, just put me on the beach. And when the
So Warren, would you place this ring on Charlotte's finger as a symbol of love and devotion to her, will you?
Yes.
You got something so undeniable.